In this video, I am going to show you how to change refresh rate in your Android phone. Now, the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. After that, just scroll down a bit, go to display option. Now from here, just scroll down again. Here you can see motion smoothness option. Now, if you cannot find refresh rate option in your phone settings, then you can look for motion smoothness. Both are same settings. So just tap here and that's it. You can see two options, high and standard. High means 90 Hz and standard means 60 Hz. If you select high, then you can get a smoother animations and scrolling with a 90 Hz refresh rate. On the other hand, if you select standard, then you can get a longer battery life. So if I select high and then tap on apply, and that's it, you can see refresh rate has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change refresh rate or motion smoothness in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.